शायद वो है पाम है ये शायद ना जो निकल रहे हैं अंदर, देखिए वहाँ से भी निकल गए इसके सीड जैसे छोटे छोटे फ्रूट्स, और एक यहाँ से।
Welcome to this part of the vlog. Today we decided to go to the oldest temple in South India. I read it in the new book that I bought, and on the way we saw Cubbon Park directions, and my mom has wanted to take me there. So this is serendipity, it's a happy coincidence. So we are here, it's beautiful, and now we're going to the bandstand. It's beautiful, looks straight out of Bridgerton. So let's go head there. Guys, doesn't this look like it's drawn? Like, look at the leaf. It looks like someone drew this. It's beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful one with the butterflies. And look at that. That's the bandstand. I'm just imagining Bridgerton here. Guys, look at this though. So many rat or mouse चूहे के बिल. I saw one in there. It's like the game. Guys, बारिश का है मौसम. As you can see the reflection on my hand. And we bought samosa and imarti. Wow. Nothing like barish and samosa. We just went to the oldest temple. If you Google oldest temple, it shows another temple. This is the Panchalingam temple in Bangalore. It's so beautiful. The doors are so beautiful. Now this is the perfect ending. We just need chai with this. Chai has been acquired, and I just found out that they give you this much for 10 rupees. It should be cheaper, no? But my mom says that's how much you get. So now I'm gonna have my imarti with the chai. Yummy. Hey guys, we're back home. Things took a turn. We were going one way, but then we ended up going somewhere else. After the temple, we saw that the commercial street is just nearby. So we went to the commercial street, which is like the Sarojini, but for ethnic wear here. And it was amazing. We ended up buying so many things. It took a while there. Then we were exhausted. So we got some uttapam packed. And they packed it so beautifully in banana leaves. So that's what I'm eating right now. I'm exhausted, but my makeup stayed, so I'm very happy. Hello everyone, and welcome to another day in Bengaluru. I'm here with my mom. We are driving to, guess what? Tesco. If you've ever been to the UK, you know Tesco. That is a very famous grocery store there. It's like their big bazaar almost. It's not very fancy, not very cheap. It's just big bazaar. What do you do? So I'm excited to see. So this is a Tata Tesco. Now, of course, if any foreign company needs to enter the Indian market, you need to do it in a joint effort with an Indian company as well. Most of the time it's Tata, hence Tata Starbucks, and now Tata Tesco. So I'm interested to see if they have any Tesco products there, because they are, of course, grocery stores. They have their own local branded things as well. So I'm interested to see how it is. So let's go explore. So far it's just a normal grocery store. I see paper bags instead of plastic ones. I'm very happy about that. Just local fresh produce. The only foreign thing that I found is Hershey's Kisses, only for 119, but that's all. However, the chocolate selection is amazing. Like, imagine having your birthday and taking this to school. Wow. But I'm buying Fuse. You know this is a superior chocolate. Guys, have you ever seen a banana flower? And my mom says they actually make sabzi from it here. It smells amazing. Look out what a baby corn looks like. This is so cute. It's like a pom-pom. This is the banana we're used to in the north, but look at how cute and tiny the bananas are here. But my mom says these go bad, like they stay good for a long time. So all in all, it's just another grocery store. It's named Tesco, I guess, for the prices or whatever. Are the prices cheaper, would you say? They are cheaper, so I guess that's the Tesco in it, but you don't really see any Tesco branded products. So that's that. It's just a grocery store. Like going there, we have nothing to do, so we came to Starbucks. We had Starbucks cups and we decided to avail the discount. So we got hot chocolate because it's raining outside. As you can see, I know in Delhi it's so hot, but it's raining here and very chilly, so we are having hot chocolate. My mom is having the
masala chai.
This is the Manish Malhotra collab, by the way, and just to let you guys know, you can put hot beverage even in this. It's just a 200 rupee cup. Put a hot hot beverage in it. Every time 10 rupees will be off. So yeah, we're exploring things on the iPad, entertaining ourselves till night comes. I added some caramel syrup to my hot chocolate, so let's see. Wow, चाय अच्छी है. अच्छी है चाय. Wow. Even the hot chocolate is amazing. The caramel syrup tastes so nice. Apparently chai is good as well. This is the masala chai. You want to try your normal? This is the normal hot chocolate with non-fat
बहुत
milk.
ज़्यादा गर्म है तो I'm a bit scared.
नहीं but सही है actually. गरम है तो
इतनी ज़्यादा गर्म है पर बहुत अच्छी है.
बहुत टेस्टी है. It's an A+. Hello everyone! We went shopping yesterday. Clothes, we have makeup, and it's fun. So let's go explore what's in these bags. So the body lotion that I chose is the Body Shop Avocado Body Lotion. I've tried my mom's Rose Body Lotion and I love it.
ये भी था.
This smells nice. So this is the first one. Then I had to buy, actually I bought 2 of those. Yeah, these are on 50% off. Then I needed a makeup palette for Singapore. I don't have nude makeup palette. So this is the Color Bar Luxe Collection Berry Blush Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. Ooh, very
जितना लंबा
fancy.
नाम है उतने सारे इसमें कलर्स हैं.
Exactly. You open it like that and here you go. Are you ready? It's a bit metallic and you open it and these are the colors. It's these beautiful nudes and shimmery shades. I love it. It's a good mix and all of my eyeshadows had expired, so I I needed a new one. It also comes with a brush, so I'm very happy about that. And a mirror. Let me know if you guys have tried it. They had 2 shades in this. Mine is the berry blush shade. Then I needed a nail polish remover. Again, I saw my mom using a better product that I love, so I bought the Color Bar nail polish remover. Guys, you know, I currently have the Nykaa makeup remover and Nykaa nail polish remover, and I hate the formula because it's too less. It's a layer of oil and the nail polish remover.
मैंने भी लिया था वो.
The concept is good, but it doesn't stay strong. So this is the one for me. And last but not the least, I have the Maybelline Color Rivals. This is a Spicy Suave. That's the shade name. Shadow Duo Palette. So it has this glittery bronze color and a dark brown, deep brown color. And I think this will go with any look. I think my mom is sweating, so let me switch on the fan so to have a break. Okay, so that was a quick snack break. Now time for my mom, who is not sweating anymore, to show her stuff. So let's go. This is just our bag, by the way. We just refuse to use theirs.
मैंने ली है एक काजल पेंसिल. ये है लॉरियल की. कॉस्ट बतानी है 449 रुपीज़ और ये स्टे ऑन है. उन्होंने कहा है 14 आवर्स रहेगी, जो कि रहती तो नहीं है, लेकिन चलो देखते हैं लगाकर.
This is the Kajal Magic Bold Range.
एक मैंने लिया लिप कलर. ये भी है लॉरियल का और इसका शेड है 120. स्टे ऑन है और बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट है. इसका टेक्सचर बहुत अच्छा था.
It's very nice.
टेक्सचर बहुत अच्छा था.
If you have lines on your lips, it'll just sort of blur them a bit, and it's like a satin formula, so it's like a liquid lipstick with a satin formula, so it won't be so dry. Very nice. And
और जिनके लिप्स पे लाइंस होती है ना, वो पता नहीं क्यों सोचते हैं कि हमको लाइट लिपस्टिक लगानी है, जबकि बिल्कुल गलत है. उनको डार्क लगानी चाहिए ताकि वो लाइंस में भी भर जाए और ऊपर से भी इक्वल हो जाए.
then we were headed to H&M, and I thought I will buy myself something, but instead my mom got a beautiful piece of clothing.
और ये ऐसे ही ना, जब हम ट्रायल रूम में जा रहे थे वहाँ लगा हुआ था, तो मैंने कहा ये देखते हैं, ट्राई करके बहुत अच्छा.
One man's trash is another man's treasure, so someone gave this back and we found it.
इसको एज अ ब्लाउज में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो कि था भी काफ़ी रीजनेबल रेट में. अदरवाइज इसकी कॉस्ट है 2000 रुपीज़ और ये मिला है मुझे 100 रुपीज़ का.
100?
800.
Seriously?
800.
800. मैंने कहा मुझे भी ले लेना चाहिए था.
हमने एक चीज़ नहीं देखी, ये यहाँ से थोड़ा ऐसा था, चलो कुछ करेंगे इसको.
Oh no.
कोई बात नहीं. 800.
But it's a beautiful, and this color looks so nice on our skin tone, like the bronze. This is exactly what my eyeshadow looks like, the one I bought.
हाँ, ये कलर भी मैंने इसलिए लिया है कि जो साड़ी पहनते हैं वो रिलेट करेंगे. इसको हम बहुत तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी साड़ियों के साथ.
So find your next blouse at H&M. So
मैंने पहले भी लिया हुआ है. जो क्रॉप टॉप होते हैं वो मैंने लिए हैं, बल्कि लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं ये कहाँ से लिया आपने, क्योंकि वो हॉजरी वाला स्टफ़ था. इतने बड़े बड़े नेक, फुल स्लीव्स और लेंथ में छोटे, तो वो किया जा सकता है.
So this was our little haul, and now we're going back to the mall to buy some other essentials, and maybe we'll have a haul later. Let's see. For now, we just washed our hair. We did a hair color, as you saw, so that's why I'm like messing with my hair a lot. I feel like the color did show up, not so much, just
नहीं
enough.
दिख रहा है, अभी और ड्राई होंगे तो और दिखाई देगा.
But मैं चाहती नहीं ज़्यादा दिखे because I can't have a very drastic hair color change. So yeah, exactly. So that's that. Construction has begun. This is our call. Bye. So we are at a nursery now. By the way, this is the outfit. I stole my mom's Swarovski necklace and earrings. I stole her grey nail polish, which looks great on our skin tone, by the way. Anyway, we are going to buy some pots and mitti. So this is the outfit. My mom bought me this. This is my mom's Swarovski pendant. These are my mom's earrings. This top is my mom's. Only the jeans and shoes are mine. Weird, but I've never been in an actual like nursery before, and this is so beautiful. Like, this is obvious, but it's like walking in the park in a beautiful garden. It smells so nice. Wow, I love it.